Well, there are a few things that I love more in this world than oyster shooters. We originally got these at Middleton Tavern in Annapolis. George Washington slept there. Just finished shucking myself a bunch of oysters. Thank you for Ann and Paul for those. And these are just wonderful. The game changer in these guys is that there's vodka in the cocktail sauce. So you just... The most delicious thing I've ever had. So delicious. Another one. I'm not going to bore you with the rest, but I promise you this. I'm going to finish these dudes in about 2 minutes. Happy trails.